Hey, sir.
Oh, hell, the missus has me out hunting damn near every day, wants to sell enough hides to send the kid to school.
Watch
I
it.
tell you,
Come
boy,
on out!
married life
You
ain't
coward!
what it's made out
We
to
gonna
be.
talk about what you done to my wife! You're a dead man! Hey! Who the devil are you?
Far as you're concerned, I am the devil. Now get out of here.
This cad!
I said get out of here.
I'm going. This is a...
Don't quite know why I did that.
Because barbarity is boring, no?
It kept me amused some years.
You must go, my friend, before the gendarmerie arrive.
Hey, you gonna do right by this feller's wife?
You have done right by her. The little bird is free. I am an artist, cowboy. I must do what I feel. Look, I have an exhibit at the gallery. You come, see what I mean.